What's the meaning of Beacon Hill? Beacon Hill. Beacon Hill.
Beacon Hill. Beacon Hill. Beacon Hill is a historic neighborhood in Boston, Massachusetts, known for its picturesque brick-lined streets, charming row houses, and stunning views of the city skyline. The area takes its name from a 17th-century beacon located on the hill which was used to warn local residents of impending danger. Today, Beacon Hill is a popular tourist destination, drawing visitors from all over the world to explore its many attractions, including the Massachusetts State House, the Boston Athenaeum, and the historic Freedom Trail. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and thriving cultural scene, Beacon Hill is truly one of the most iconic neighborhoods in all of Boston.